Recording operation tutorial. Mobile recording saved to mobile album. Tap the record button to start recording, tap it again to stop. After recording, return to the homepage of EMEET Studio and tap Album. Locate the newly recorded video and tap Download to save it to your mobile album. Mobile recording saved to SD card. Tap More operations on the page, then select Record. Tap Continue to start recording. Tap Stop once finished, and the video will be automatically saved to the SD card. Computer recording saved to computer. Click the record button to start recording. After recording, click Stop recording, and the video will be automatically saved to your local computer. Computer recording saved to SD card. Click the auxiliary option on the page and scroll down. Find the Record to SD card button and click it to start recording. Click Stop recording upon completion, and the video will be saved to the SD card automatically. Recording via camera physical button. Short press the power button. The device's red indicator light stays solid on, indicating recording has started successfully. Short press the power button again to end recording. The video will be automatically stored in the SD card after recording.